Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to do the image lookup in Excel. If you see, we have certain products over here and their respective image. We have a drop down over here. As we select from the drop down, the image automatically changes. It's a completely dynamic chart and you can get to see what is your image for the respective product. You can use for products, you can use for employees if you want to see their photograph based on their employee ID or their name. There are many use case scenarios for such a functionality. So let's go ahead and see how do we do this in Excel. The first step is you create a drop down list. So I did list and I selected these entries of the product. So if you see, if I select it, I get the product details. Let me just increase the font and make it bold. Now, the next step, what you need to do is select any one of your cell. The cell and not the image. So I've selected the cell. I do Control C. Then go to paste and paste as a linked picture. And let's put the linked picture down over here. So we have achieved our first step. The next step is you write a function over here. You write index. Index requires 3 arguments. One is the array. Array is what do you want to display in your function, means what is the answer you want. The answer which I want is this particular column. So I select that and I log the cells. Then I say match. Match I say I want to search sandwich and I want to search sandwich in this particular rows. And I log this and I want an exact match. And I close the match and I close the index. Right now you will not see anything happening. You just copy this function, go to formula, go to name manager, go to new, and over here delete this and paste the formula. Next, write a name for this. So write any name you want. For example, I am writing search pick and I say OK and I close it. Still now we have not completed our process. Next step is select your name range of the linked picture and over here delete it and write the name of the name range which we just created, means the index formula 1, and I say enter. So now if you see, sandwich is showing and sandwich is selected. I go here and select burger, burger is showing. I go to pizza, it shows pizza. And fries, it shows me fries. So it's a dynamically updating the images based on what we have selected in the drop down list. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.